Open up the Settings app on your iPhone or Android phone, and then let's scroll down on both and tap on Notifications on both. There we go. Now on your iPhone, you have two different options. One is if you wanted to hide the notifications for, say, one app, like Messages, you can just tap on it and then go to Show Previews, and you're going to switch this, if it's set to Always, to switch it to When Unlocked, so that you have to unlock your phone to see that preview, or you can set it to Never if you want. However, if you wanted to, you can go back out of here, go to the very top, and instead of that, you can see Show Previews. You can tap on that, and for every app on your iPhone, you can switch this to only showing them when you've unlocked it. Now on your Android phone, all we need to do is go to Hide Content While Locked. It might be set to Show Always, showing all of that content. So let's just switch this to Hide Content when locked, and it won't show any of the content of those notifications.